Gold has returned back above 3272.61, the resistance level. Yesterday the candle was a strong bullish candle that has returned the price back above this area of confluence of resistance, and the price is currently inside this small uptrend channel, which is currently also targeting the next resistance 3371.17. Let's take a look yesterday how this looked on the 4-hour time frame. Yesterday this is an area where the price started the day, and we can see that the price was trying to make a bullish break at above 3272.61. The price managed to do that during the day. We can see that with strong bullish candle, where we can see this is a strong bullish breakout that has formed yesterday and reached the next resistance level around 3319.97. From here, after several hours, the price again formed a bullish breakout, targeting the next resistance, and we can see where the price currently is. It is 3371.17, and it is also a bullish breakout currently we can see on the 4-hour time frame. And the next candle, which is currently active, needs to close above this area of resistance to confirm this bullish breakout as a valid one. If it returns back down, this will be invalidation of this bullish breakout, which means suggesting further down decline in value, where the next target will be 3319.97. Now, first of all, in the previous period where the price was trying to make a bullish breakout outside this range area, this was a very important, a critical level, 3317.17, and also below that it was around 3272.61. We can see how the price was behaving in this range area, and currently the price is trying to make a bullish breakout. This is on the 4-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, yesterday we can see how the price has behaved. The price is forming a strong bullish trend on the 1-hour time frame, and yesterday I also have shared with the traders inside the premium analysis this bullish breakout on the 1-hour time frame, targeting the next level here, which was a successful one. We can see that right here. So if you would like to receive these updates about the premium analysis, check the link below in the description so you can also join and receive these breakouts. After that, we can see the price strongly formed this bullish breakout, which has happened an hour ago, but it is also very important to see how this candle looks. It is a pretty strong one, where the price has reached the daily resistance level 3371.17, and there is probability the price returns back down to confirm this previous resistance, now acting as support. But first of all, this will be the first level, 3343.38. Now on the 1-hour time frame we do not have a big picture, so the 4-hour time frame currently shows me there is a resistance on the daily time frame that could retrace back down the price, and the retrace could return back around this area here, around 3345. On the 1-hour time frame, 3343.38 is much precise level where the price could go. I had just mentioned a few seconds ago. So this is the target currently. What I'm expecting, the price could be traced back down to area this, and from there we will see how the price behaves. If the price in the 4-hour time frame returns back above, which means this candle do not close below this area of support, currently it is acting as a resistance. If the price closes above, this will be a continuation of the bullish momentum, and I am expecting the price will try to reach higher price levels, and that means around this area of supply zone here, around 3432.43. So for now, for the daily time frame, if we take a look here, it is a retrace back down after reaching this area of resistance. What is very important for the daily time frame, it is that the day closes above this area of resistance, which is around 3350. We can see that these candles open and close did not manage to go above, and for example this bullish candle could not close above this area of resistance, which means it is a very important resistance level for the bulls. So for the daily time frame, if it closes above, this will be a signal for the bulls that they are trying to move to higher price levels. So 3350, we will see that on 1-hour time frame it is around this area here. So this is something that I'm expecting today. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.